the phones and respect for the actors and musicians. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Burlington High School Music Department's production of Grease.
Looking over these familiar faces, vivid things we look back to those wonderful bygone days. Days of working and playing together, days of cheering together for our athletic teams in big towns. And days of working together when examination time rolled around. Now perhaps some of those familiar faces of yesteryear are absent because they thought our beloved Miss Glitch might have another one of her famous English grants awaiting us. I was only joking. However, the small portion of alumni we notice missing this evening are certainly not missing from our fond memories of them. I'm sure that they want us to know, fully present, and accounted for in spirit. just the way it always happened.
I saw a pencil on the highway, and I was going crazy from the sound. Just like the wind was blowing my way, and it sounds just like a whole moon right down. And if you gotta use the washroom, and let it run instead of hearing that sound, well, you had better see a doctor, 'cause you got memories of old right now.
I can't explain right now, it's pain right now, it's so pain right now, baby.
Is it TV right now? Could it be right now? You want to see now faculty?
Yeah,
Jerry,
Reggie,
Slowly,
Rizzo,
Danny,
Mikey,
Ron,
and Mr. Clean, by now that scene right now, Mr. Green and disappear. And I'm right now, get stuck right now, I'm stuck right now, right here. Gee, I wish it was still summer. Look, it's not even quarter after 12, and I feel like I've been here a whole year already. Yeah, I'm kind of afraid. Hey, you want to sit here? Sure. Rizzo's coming and Archie's bringing that huge. Come. You want my coleslaw? I'll see if I have room for it. Hey, Rizzo, over here! Hey! Rizzo the guy. Those slobs, you think they spend a dime on their lunch? They're bagging it. Oh, pretty cheap.
Hey, Ron, I'll trade you sardine for a peanut butter and jelly.
you need one of those things.
Haven't been in icebox since last Easter.
Where you at?
Hey, what's happening? Hey, Mickey. Hey, where you been all summer?
I was loading boxes down at Vinewood City.
Oh, nice job.
Cramming. I was able to get some wheels.
What kind of crazy, Louie? What kind?
I don't know what kind of you, moron, but I got a name all picked out. It's Grease Lightning. Yeah. Hey, Sonny, what do you say? Drop dead. I got old lady English again this year. She hates my guts.
Nah, she thinks you cute, Sonny.
Ah!
I didn't think she could put you back in the class.
Yeah. Well, this year she's gonna wish she never seen me for a whole year. Instead, I just ain't gonna take any of the lip, that's all. I don't take that job, nobody.
What's all the racket out here?
Hello, Miss Lynch.
Dominic, aren't you supposed to be in class right now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a fine way to start the new semester, Mr. Loctieri. Well, are you going to stand there all day? Then move!
I think you didn't give me any lips on you. Were really going around.
Shut up!
Hey, Jim, who's that chick over there with the French? Is she the one you were telling me about? Oh, yeah! Her name's Danny! She thinks pretty cool! Maybe we should let her the pink lady! Just believe. Now that chick hanging around. This is my next door. See you around. This is Rizzo, and that's Marty. And you remember Dan? Sure. Hi. Hi, nice to meet you. Come on, sit down. For how long have you been living around here? Oh, since July. My father just got transferred here. Hey, Sandy, are you gonna eat your coleslaw? It smells kind of funny. We didn't have chimney, cinnamon, butter on the butt. So, Sandy, how do you like the school so far? Oh, it seems real nice. I was going to go to Immaculata, but my father got in with my mother's superior over my cat and other shoes. What do you mean? He said boys can see my dress in the reflection. Swear to God. Hey, where do you get a pair of shoes like that? Oh, look who's coming. Patty Succox. Oh, you were right out high. Oh, no, there's a podcast among us. Well, don't say hello. We won't. Is everybody at your lunch table? Oh, yeah, move over, French. Oh, I just love the first day of school, don't you? It is the biggest growth of my life. You never guessed what happened to me this morning. Probably not. Well, they announced this year's nominees for student council. And guess who's up for vice president? Me. Isn't that wild? Wild. You must think I'm a terrible clown. I never even introduced myself. Oh, hi. I'm Sandy Kudowski. It's my pleasure, Sandy. We're simply glad to have you here right now. Thanks. Oh, shoot! Goodness gracious! What was all that about? One of my diamonds fell in the macaroni.
Hey, ain't that Danny over there? Where? Hey, Danny, what you doing? Good. Hey, Danny, where you been all summer?
Spent a lot of time down at the beach. Need any new chicks? Nah. Come on. I just met this one that was really all the mushy details and everything. Yeah, come on.
I spent most of my summer down at the beach. What for? We got a brand new pool right in the neighborhood. It's pretty nice. Yeah, you like swimming in Clorox. Well, actually, I met a boy there. You all didn't come to all the way to the beach for some guy? This is sort of a special boy. Honey, there's no such thing.
Summer loving, having you glad.
Summer loving, having so fast.
Met a girl craving for me.
Met a boy, cute as can be. Summer days drifting away to all those summer nights.
Tell me what, till my love is returned.
Tell me why, Well, this guy sounds like a threat.
She can't wait.
Hey, what if we said that about Danny's of gold?
That's the secret.
Did you say Danny's of gold?
I didn't say that, son.
Hey, was he the guy?
Boy, you get all the hot chicks.
Well, doesn't he go to Lake Forest Academy?
She doesn't put it right down, does she?
That's a laugh.
Ain't too bad. I bet you she told me. Okay.
Forget about Danny's of gold. I know some really nice boys. So do I. Right, you guys? Come on, let's go. See you around, Patty. Yeah, maybe we'll stop in at the next student council meeting. Right, yes.
See, I told you they were always chasing me.
Not you, Baseball. Danny. Hey, Danny, we got a surprise for you. Danny!
How are you?
Hi.
I thought you were going to make me mine.
How did you quickly? Gee, he was so glad to see ya. Dropped his lunch. I don't get it. He was so nice to you this summer. Aw, don't worry about it, Sandy. Hi. Listen, how'd you like to come to my house tonight? It will be just us girls. Yeah, those guys are all just a bunch of creeps. Yeah, Luca's the biggest creep of all.
I started taking lessons last summer. That's a C.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And then I'm working on an A minor and an F and
Hey, can you play Tell Laura I Love Her?
I don't know. Has it got a C in it?
Hey, dude, let's get a little help.
And G, around the hill. C, 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 A, minor.
How about you said you took lessons?
I only talk about music.
Gold Man Chick by Rodney Down.
Thank you.
great new spontaneous picnic tea. Spreading the stacks of wax in the house of wax. WAXX. Houston time, 10:46. Jump to the big head with you. Brand new lunch. Jump to the back of the Elko Way. Go down to the Lion Street. Get down to the Lion Street. And especially the new one on the line. The street on the line. You understand?
Listen, I'm not feeling too well. Look, Sandy, if you think you're going to be hanging around with the big ladies, you gotta get with it. Otherwise, go back to your hot cocoa and your girl stuff. Hey, Sandy, don't sweat it. If she messes up, she can always fix your hair so your ears don't show. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, this chick's getting to be a real pain. Lay off, Rizzo. What was that? Hey, Mommy, Sandy's sick. She's eating all over the place. Did you do her ears already? Nah, I haven't did one. As soon as she got the blood, she went, blah. It's getting kind of chilly in here. I think I'll put my roll on. Hey, Marty, where'd you get that thing? Oh, I didn't like it. It's from Japan. I got it. No kidding. It's a really and beautiful doll, too.
like to know I brought this night right here. We're gonna yank these babies off my bare hands. Oh yeah, sure you can, sure. Hey, let's check this out. I just hope 6 freaking days.
Wow. Sometimes I get a scratch on him. Selling for 2 weeks of beef easy.
Really?
How much do you think I can get for these dice?
Shut her down, moron.
Nice. What kind of idiot would put brand new hubcaps on some old beat-up jalapenos?
It's probably some real tool. Hey guys, for real. We should really push this up on somebody. 11 o'clock at night? Yeah, let's go sell them at the police station.
The police station.
That's allowed. They don't even use those kind of hubcaps on cop cars.
Hey guys. You can take off. Hey, wait a minute, guys. It's Nicky. Stop! I like the hubcaps. Let's put it in control. Hey, Nicky, what are you doing with this hubcap junk anyway? What? Hubcap junk? What are you talking about? This is street slighting. You expect to pick up chicks in this side can? Okay, Bedlock's here. It's better than what you got.
What color is this anyway? Blue, green?
Oh, knock it off! You don't make that look nice. You're fucking gonna paint job and I'll scoop out the engine. Sit and pick up chicks like a child. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Grease Lightning. You know, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hot and romantic. What? It's Grease Lightning! Girl, what are you talking about? This is Street Lightning. Ain't it cool?
Yeah, but as cool as the garbage truck. Hey, Tanny, I just left your girlfriend over at Body's house, peeping all over the place. Standing across me, you know, standing chance.
Oh, no! Cool it, nigga. Cool it. You better tell that to Rizzo. Oh, no! You guys better listen to hubcaps. What do you mean they're yours? No, they ain't. I stole them!
Couldn't you tell I was happy to see you?
Well, you could have been a little nicer to me on your friends.
What are you talking about? You don't know those guys. I mean, if it was up to me, I wouldn't even look at any other chick with you. I'll tell you what, we're throwing a party in the park tomorrow night for attention. She's gonna quit school before she wants to and go to beauty school. How's it like maybe not down there with me?
Well, I really like you, but I'm not so sure those girls would work.
It's insane. No one's gonna start getting salty with you when I'm around. No way.
Alright, baby, as long as you're with me. Let's not let anyone confuse ever. Hi, Danny! Oh, don't let me interrupt. You know, I've been dying to tell you something since you left my house the other night. My mother thinks you're cute. He's such a lady killer. Isn't he, though? What are you doing at her house?
I was just counting down some homework.
Come on, Sandy, let's practice. Yeah, Les, I'm just dying to make a good impression in front of all those cheap, like
Oh, that's why you're wearing that thing? Getting ready to show off in front of a bunch of lame-brained jocks?
Don't tell me you're jealous, Danny.
What? Of a bunch of meatheads? Don't make me laugh.
Just because they do something you can't do.
Yeah, sure. Right.
Okay, what have you ever done?
Would you stop it? I won a Holly Joey contest at the Team Taylor Record Hop.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
Look, I can run circles around that shirt.
Yeah, you'd rather spend the time happy at other people's homes.
I'll tell you what, next time we're going to try out with my team, I'll show you what I can do.
Oh, what a lucky coincidence. Track team's having tryouts tomorrow.
Oh! Yeah. Okay, I'll be there.
Big talk.
Think so, huh? Yeah. Let's see those tryouts work.
And period, tomorrow, the football field.
Alright. You're gonna come watch me, aren't you?
Oh, I can't wait.
Stop. Let's see you.
Toodles. I'm so excited, aren't you? Let's practice. Hey, Danny, how do I look at the call? Hey, watch it. Watch this big truck full of chicken.
Oh yeah? Well, we have some new regulars too.
Are you serious? Those bird lights?
Get set, go!
That's easy, go! It's a better hobby than yours, Ron.
How do you never get mad at those guys?
Why should I?
Oh, that name they call you. What do you mean?
The king of the moon is.
What?
The moon can't ride out high.
You mean showing off your bear behind the people? That's pretty raunchy.
Now, let's see. What's that making up on that old lady lives? Run out the car window. She never even seen who it was.
It's too much! I wish I'd been there. I mean,
Yeah.
you know what I mean.
Should have been there too.
I spend my day just moving so sad so sad. I spend my life just moving out. I'm so There's a moon out tonight.
Hey, Danny, you got that chicken over there? Sandy, I think we have all the links I want. I'm gonna go away with that for you. In the car.
What's your beef, chief? You tell him something. What's your
No, thanks. I can stay. Well, I just came up to collect some music of my own.
Really? That bugs me out. Really deep. Come on, I'll show you.
Big Danny.
Shows it though. Every day now. You mean you ain't told them?
Come on, Rizzo. What are you trying to do? They just think she's like you?
What is that crap supposed to mean? I never heard you complaining.
You never stop flapping your gums. Oh, yeah. I'm real worried. Scared.
Okay, freak.
Oh, come on. Man, what a yo-yo. There's one little joke. Chick is tutti frutti.
Couple of fruit kids. Cool it, huh?
Yeah. Nice stuff.
It's tomorrow night, yours truly, main brain, Vince Fontaine, will be MC, Big Dance Bash Out at Ride Out High School for Boys Trip. Along with me will be Mr. T&T himself, Johnny Snowfield. So make an appointment to stop by the joint. Ride Out High, 7:30 tomorrow night.
Hey, Danny, going to the dance tomorrow night?
I love you, bro.
You broke up over your little digit? Come on, Cisco. Why don't you take me to the dance? I can do that same with you too, you know. Ready, guys?
With what? From these hoods?
Oh, knock it off. Nah, Sonny, I got a date across town. Between you and me, I think she's a real bombshell. You got a sister? I don't even know her names.
Jeez, I don't think more of
Why not, Marty?
Got a date?
I know just the guy. Ready, guys? Hey, Steve!